There's one other activity that this power button does that you might use quite often is connections with Bluetooth. If I press and hold and get to those first two tones and then let go of the button, it's going to go into a Bluetooth mode. If it finds a phone nearby that it already connected to in the past, it'll connect with it almost immediately. If it doesn't find a phone nearby that it's connected with Bluetooth on before or any other device, then it's going to go into a flashing blue light and start to search for anything else to pair with. So let's go ahead and do that now. I'm going to press and hold for 2 tones, and then I'm going to let go. Let go. I get a blink. It's searching for Bluetooth. I got another tone, and it found my phone here that I'm connected to. So now if I turn to my phone's Bluetooth off, the light goes back to white because I lost that Bluetooth connection. And now I'm going to try to do Bluetooth again and see what it does now. I'm going to do press and hold for 2 tones. I let go. Blinking blue, blinking blue. It's trying to find anything out there on Bluetooth that it can connect to, but nothing's activated right now, so it's still searching. So I'm going to turn on Bluetooth on my phone and tell it to connect to the Roam. And there we go, solid blue light, and I'm back connected to the Roam again. So that's what the buttons do in the back for power. I think it's not always clear. I have another video out there where I explain a problem that I encountered with running the battery completely dead and this amber light down at the bottom here, and how it was not clear to me what was going on when my battery was dead and how to get it back. So go ahead and check that video out as well. I think it's very helpful. There's just a couple nuances about this new device that are a little bit frustrating and a bit unclear in the documentation about what's going on and how it works. But I think if you know how this button works and the deal with the power being at low levels and that amber light, then you'll never have any problems with it. This device seems to work real well and it's very predictable. Hey, I hope this video helped you out. And if it did, please give it a thumbs up, and that'll help other people find it as well. And have a great day.